if you want to find the probability for the green, you have to count how many parts we have, green parts. Only 2. So you have to write 2, question number 1, 2 out of 8. 8, how can we find the 8? You have to count all of the parts. If you count all of the parts here, the answer will be 8. Okay? So the final answer for the probability for green, 2 out of 8. Now we are in question number 2. Probability for yellow. How many parts we have yellow? Only 1. So you have to write 1 out of 8. Number 3. Probability for blue. How many parts we have blue parts? Only 2. So 2 out of 8. Okay? This lesson, revision for you. Okay? We took it before. Now question number 4. Probability for green or yellow. You have to count, or it's mean and. It mean you have to make add. Okay? So green, how many parts we have green? 2. How many yellow we have? 1. So 2 plus 1, the answer will be 3. 3 over 8. Now we are in question number 5. Probability for red or blue. How many red we have? How many parts? Red parts we have 3. How many blue we have? 2. 3 plus 2, the answer will be 5 over 8. Right. Now we are in question number 6. Probability for green, yellow, and red. Right. How many green we have? 2. How many yellow we have? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus red, how many parts we have for red? 3. So 3 plus 3, the answer will be 6 out of 8. Now we are in question number 7. The probability for red. How many red parts here I have? 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3 out of 8. Okay? How can we find the 8? You have to count all of the parts together. If you count it all, the answer will be 8. This lesson, we took it before. Okay? This is like quickly revision for you for this lesson. Now we will begin with our lesson. Listen to me here. All of you open page number 314, girls. The lesson for today, find part of a number. Listen to me for question number 1. We will solve only odd numbers, okay? Because we don't have time to cover all of the questions. 1 out of 5 off. If you see off, girls, it means multiply. So multiply by 15. Now, if you have any whole number, this is called whole, because I don't have fraction here. You have to write it as a fraction. How? You have to make it 15 out of 1 or 15 over 1. Okay? Now we will begin with the simplest form. We have 2 ways to solve this problem. First way, you have to make a simplest form before you make multiply. Second one, you have to make a simplest form after you multiply. So, now here, you have to make like X, girls. Ask yourself, can I make here simplest form? Yes, can I make? How, girls? Divided by 5, the answer will be 1. Divided by 5, the answer will be 3. Now you have to make multiply like a straight line. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. Over 1 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 1. So the final answer 3 divided by 1, the final answer 3. We have another way here. We have another way for the same problem. You can make multiply as a regular. 1 multiplied by 15, 15. Over 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Then now you have to make simplest form. Okay? So divided by 5, divided by 5, the answer will be 3 over 1. The same answer, girls. You can follow any way, but it's better for you to follow first way. Okay? Yeah, all of you, you have to write beside question number 1, the final answer 3. Now we are in question number 3. 1 out of 2 multiplied by 14. I told you, if you have whole number, you have to write it as a fraction. How? 14 over 1. Then you have to make simplest form. Ask yourself, can I make here simplest form between the 14 with 2? Yes. Divided by 2, the answer will be 1. Divided by 2, the answer will be 7. Then you have to make multiply like straight line. 1 multiplied by 7, 7. Over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So 7 divided by 1, the answer will be 7. Okay, girls. So you have to write beside the question number 3, the final answer, 7. Now, I will erase question number 1. I will write now question number 5. 1 out of 4 multiplied by 24. I told you, this is a whole number. You have to make it like a fraction. How? 24 over 1. Now, ask yourself, like x, you have to make simplest form. Can I make simplest form between the 4 and the 24? Yes. Divided by 4, it will be 1. Divided by 4, it will be 6. Now you have to make multiply straight line. 1 multiplied by 6, 6. Then 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer, it will be 6. Girls, about the simplest form, imagine we have fraction like this, 24 over 4. So you have to make simplest form, divided by 4, divided by 4. So the answer will be 6 over 1. Okay, we took the simplest form before. Now we are in question number 7. We will solve it odd on. 1 out of 7 multiplied by, I told you, of it's mean multiply. Multiply by 42. This is whole number. You have to write it as a fraction. How? Over 1. Now, ask yourself, can I make simplest form here between the 42 with 7? Yes. Divided by 7, the answer will be 1. Divided by 7, the answer will be 6. Then you have to make multiply. 1 times 6, 6. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer, 6. Now I will erase, girls, please, beside the question number 7, you have to write the final answer 6. If you want to write the steps, no problem. But quickly, please. Okay? Now we will solve question number 9. One out of 6 multiplied by 30. If you have any whole number, you have to write it as a fraction, over 1. Now, can I make simplest form? Which number multiplied by 6, the answer will be 30? 5, very easy. So divided by 6, the answer will be 1. Divided by 6, the answer will be 5. Now you have to make multiply, straight line. 1 multiplied by 5, 5 over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer, 5. Now we are in question number 11. 1 out of 8 multiplied by 16. This is the whole number, so you have to write it as a fraction. How? Over 1, always over 1. Okay, if you have whole number, you can write it as a fraction. How? Over 1, always. Now, Ask yourself, can I make simplest form between an 8 and a 16? Which number multiply by 8? The answer will be 16, yeah, girls. 2. Very easy. So divided by 8, the answer will be 1. Divided by 8, 16 divided by 8, the answer will be 2. Now you have to make multiply straight line. 1 multiplied by 2, 2 over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer is 2. Now we are in next page, 315. So I will erase 9. 315. Question number 13. Same idea, girls. We have of, if you see of, you have to make multiply. Okay, guys. Here I will repeat. I have what? Whole. You have to write it as a fraction. Then ask yourself, like x. You can make simplest form between a 15 and a 3. Yes. Which number multiplied by 3, the answer will be 15? 5. So divided by 3, the answer will be 1. Divided by 3, the answer will be 5. So 2 multiplied by 5, the answer will be 10. Out of 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer is 10. Now we are in question number 15. Okay? 15. 5 out of 6 multiplied by 18. Girls, this is the whole number. You have to write it as a fraction over 1. Now you have to make what? Simplest form. Which number multiplied by 6, the answer will be 18? It's 3. So divided by 6, 1. Divided by 6, the answer will be 3. Now you have to make multiply as a regular. 5 multiplied by 3, the answer will be 15. Over 1 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 1. The final answer, 15. Okay? Make copy, please.
Teacher, someone come at the Jalil come at the computer.
Okay, guys. Listen to me.
Teacher.
Now I made this group unmute. If you have any question, you can ask me now.
Teacher, I want to ask you something.
Miss?
One by one, please. Okay? Yes.
Why in the next question there is written N and B and S and why?
Yes.
Why?
This is called value. Okay? So you have to take value.
Miss? Teacher?
And at the
Understand.
Wait.
N equal 10. Okay?
Okay.
Teacher?
Teacher. Also, can in the homework you write only the numbers, means only write 10 and 15?
Sure. Yes. If you want to write the steps on the piece of the paper, and the final answer you have to write it on your workbook. Okay? Only final
Okay,
answer.
thank you.
Teacher, I don't understand.
Right. Listen to me. I will repeat another question for you. Okay? Number 17. We will solve together number 17. I will erase 13.
Yes. Answer 15, teacher.
15, the final answer 15. Okay? Now we will do together 17. Okay, I told you before, if we have whole number, you can write it as a fraction. How? Over 1 or out of 1. Now then, you have to ask yourself, can I make here simplest form? Meaning 8 will 14. Divided by which number? By 8? Yes, girls.
8 times 5.
Excellent. So 8 divided by 8, the answer will be 1. Then 40 divided by 8, the answer will be 5. Then you have to make what? Multiply as a regular straight line. 3 multiplied by 5, 15 over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. The final answer, 15.
Yes, but this which page?
Now we are in page number 350. Girls, I want from you to solve number 19 alone, please.
Line for me.
Then give me the final answer if you can, please. Number 19.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes,
is the final answer 15?
for number 19.
I mean 24. 24.
You mean question number 19, the final answer what?
24.
24, excellent, excellent. Yalla girls, try to solve it.
Finish. Finish.
What about the final answer, girls? All of you 24?
24.
Bravo.
Yeah,
24.
Listen to me, how can I solve it? Here I have whole, so you have to write a whole as a fraction. Then ask yourself, can I make simplest form here? Between a 4 with 32 girls? Yes, divided by 4, the answer will be 1. Divided by 4, the answer will be 32 divided by 4 girls. Which number multiplied by 4, the answer will be 32?
8.
8.
8.
Bravo. Now you have to make multiply as a regular straight line. 3 multiplied by 8. 24 over 1 multiplied by 1.
Over 1
So the final
equals
answer is
24.
24. Excellent, girls. Right. Do also 21 alone. Yellow, show me your work. Give me the final answer when you finish. Easy, don't worry. 21. Very easy.
Ten.
With?
Teacher, is
Yes.
the answer 10?
Excellent. 10. Right. Listen to me for 21.
ماسكة هاي. حياة.
Out of 7.
أنا هون. هون بس.
15. Girls, have whole number selected as a fraction. Then ask yourself, which number multiplied by 7, the answer will be 14? 2. So divided by 7, 1. Divided by 7, the answer will be 2. Then you have to make multiply like straight line. 5 multiplied by 10. Out of 1 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 1. So 10 out of 1, the final answer 10. 10 divided by 1, the answer 10.
Lena.
Okay, girls.
Lena,
You finished?
go to your place. Want to see.
Teacher, when is the
ليه هنا؟
Final answer for 21, 10.
Teacher, only I then and a big face like that.
Okay. Now I want you to solve 22. 22. I know 22 even, but you have to solve it. Yeah. 22.
Okay, teacher. Zena, can you go? Sure. You are in the face of our for my computer. Go up. يعني انت على طول لما اطلع بدل البورد بشوفك بدل البورد بشوفك ولا جوي.
Girls, try to solve 22 and give me the final answer, please, quickly. Final answer, girls, for question number 22.
Teacher, is the answer 36?
Excellent. 36. Bravo.
Teacher,
Yes,
teacher,
yes, Tia.
What is the answer, teacher?
36. I will tell you how. Suppose you have a fraction, go over 1. Now ask you which number
teacher,
by 5, the answer will be 45.
teacher,
9.
teacher, die, teacher, die.
By 5, 9. Now you have to make multiply as a regular. 4 multiplied by 9, 36. Over 1. So the
36, teacher, the answer is 36.
excellent, girls. I am so happy from you.
Teacher,
Can you do 23 alone? 23, yellow.
24.
In the first, 23, 24.
Teacher, 24. 24, the answer.
Excellent. Type. Do 24. Then give me the final.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, in the question 22, I don't understand it.
Type. I will repeat 22 for you, Habibti. Listen to me. I have
Guys.
4 over 5 multiplied by 45.
Finally, I can speak.
22 for
Wow.
out of 5.
Yeah, it's 24.
I didn't understand.
Type. Listen to me for, I will repeat the same question for you. I will repeat the same question. In the first, I have whole number. You have to write it as a fraction. How? 45 over 1. Then ask yourself, which number multiplied by 5, the answer will be 45? 9. So you have to make it divided by 5. 1 divided by 5, the answer will be 9. Now you have to make multiply like straight line. 4 multiplied by 9, 36 over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer is 36. Do please question number 23 alone. If you finish 23, do 24.
It's 24, teacher.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent. What about
Yes.
question number 24? Very easy. 24. Easy.
It's
One.
8.
Bravo. 8. 8. Type. We will solve together now 23.
Teacher, I didn't understand.
Type. Listen to me for
Me
question
too.
23.
15. Please, someone can tell me how to make it.
Type. Listen for 23.
23 is 24.
In the first, we will do it together. Okay, girls. Ask yourself. In the first, this is whole number. You have to write it as a fraction over 1. Then ask yourself, which number multiplied by 8? The answer will be 64.
Teacher, 8 times 8.
Excellent. So here you have to make it divided by 8. The answer will be 8. Here divided by 8, the answer will be 1. Now you have to make multiply like what? Like a straight line. 24 over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer is 24. Very easy. 24. Now we will do 24 together. 8 out of 9 multiplied by... Yes.
We will make the odd numbers or like
Only
this.
the odd numbers, but we have time, so we solved already 22 and now we will do 24. Okay?
Okay.
You finished at 24.
24, listen to me for 24. Which number multiplied by 9? The answer will be 9, girls. Which number multiplied by 9? The answer will be 9. Very easy.
1.
So divided by 9, the answer will be 1. Divided by 9, the answer will be 1.
To be 8.
So excellent. Now you have to make multiply like straight line. 8 multiplied by 1, 8. Out of 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer is 8. Okay. So girls, now I want from you to open your workbook, please, if you can.
Okay, Mama.
I will tell you now which page. Page number 116. 116.
Teacher, again which page?
116.
حاضر.
Right. Girls, try to solve first question number 1 in your workbook alone. Answer.
Which page?
116. Yes, girls. What about the final answer for question number 1? Yes, girls. Final answer. That. To me. Ask yourself, which number multiplied by 6? The answer will be 12. 2. So divided by 6. Divided by 6. The answer. So 1 multiplied by 2, 2. Over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. The final answer is 2. Question number 1, 2.
Could you homework by yourself?
Do number 2 and give me the final answer, please.
Number 2.
Guess
6.
the math.
What's the final answer for number 2?
6. It's 6 over 1.
6. Excellent. 6 over 1. It means 6. Excellent. Do
6 over 1.
Excellent. Do number 3, please.
2. The answer is 2.
Bravo, 2.
Yes, 2.
Now 4.
The answer is 4.
Excellent.
Yeah, Judy, go away. Sitting also. What?
Teacher, the answer for 5 is 4.
And yes, 4. Question number 5, the final answer 4. Girls, any question? Do you have any question, girls?
No.
Try to do your homework. Now I will check it for you if you do it. Yes.
How will you check it for us?
You have to tell me the final answer. I will tell you this is correct or not. Okay?
Teacher, number 6 is
6, what's the final answer?
15.
No, wrong. Right, we will do
For
together.
question what?
6.
6. It's 6. The answer is 6.
Excellent. Now listen to me. Here I have whole, you have to write it as a fraction. Now, which number multiplied by 3, the answer will be 18? 6. So divided by 3, 1. Divided by 3, 6. Now you have to make multiply. 1 multiplied by 6, 6. Over 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So the final answer is 6.
Teacher, number 7 is 8.
Excellent. Zena, yes? Excellent, yes.
Yes.
Number 8 is 9.
Bravo, ya Juri. 9.
Number 9 is 5.
Excellent.
Yes.
Number 10 is 2.
Excellent, Juri.
And number 11 is 4.
Excellent.
And 12 is 6.
Yes, 6.
Yes.
And number 13 is 7.
Bravo. Yes.
Oh, sorry.
And then 14 is 9.
Excellent, Juri.
What was it?
What? And
Oh, 12.
12.
Well, bravo, girls.
No, I know.
Teacher, and number 16 is 27.
No, 21.
27. Listen to me. We will do together number 16.
Teacher, what is number 15?
15,
15 is
12.
12.
Number 16. 3 out of 5.
27.
Multiply by 45 over 1. Now we are multiply by 5. The answer would be 45. 9. Okay? So divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. The answer would be 9. Now you have to make multiply like straight line. 3 multiplied by 9. 27 over 1 multiplied by 1. 1. So the final answer is 27.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
والله لا.
Class. So, I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. Study very well the lesson.
Number 17
Okay,
is 4.
teach.
And do the rest alone. Do
Number what?
Okay? Study very well the lesson.
4, yeah?
Thank you so much, girls. I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.